Aji, I've been reading a lot about a woman named Dimple Yadav from Uttar Pradesh. Who is she?
It's not Uttar Pradesh, it's Uttar Pradesh, and
Okay.
it's one of the biggest states in India,
All right.
the most populated states in India, and they have something like 403 lawmakers there in the assembly out there.
So their lawmakers are almost as much as our members of Congress in the United States.
Almost as much, and I think its population is also around as much.
I wouldn't be surprised. By the way, I have a California Hindi accent, so sorry for the bad
No
pronunciation.
issues. Now, Dimple Yadav, the lady in question you talked to me about, is the wife of the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav. You know?
Yeah.
You've been, of course, reading a lot about Akhilesh Yadav and his ongoing tiff with his uncle Shivpal Yadav,
Yes,
his
I saw it.
regarding the split in the Samajwadi Party.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why Dimple Yadav has suddenly come into the news is because people feel that Dimple will probably play a major role in the forthcoming elections in February.
And why is that?
It is because of Dimple's image and personality, and Akhilesh Yadav's image and personality, which is very different from the image that his uncles and his father has.
Okay.
His father began his career, Mulayam Singh Yadav began his career as a wrestler from Itawa,
Okay.
which is a small town in Uttar Pradesh, around I think 150 or 200 kilometers from Lucknow,
Okay.
state capital. Now, Mulayam Singh has a brother called Shivpal Yadav who's been virtually working, functioning as the deputy chief minister of the state. He has another brother or cousin actually called Ram Gopal Yadav, who's also functioning as a deputy chief minister in that state.
Okay.
Now you have various power centers in that state, and people are of the opinion today, the voter today is of the opinion that Akhilesh Yadav is a good boy who can deliver, who has done a lot of work and tried to do a lot of work. But most of the problems that have come up in governance in the state have been created by the interference of his uncle Shivpal Yadav and his uncle Ram Gopal Yadav in the governance of the state.
Why would they interfere?
Well, you see, you have various lobbies operating now. Each of these guys has a favorite officer whom they want posted, say, as a police officer, say, in a particular district, or a district magistrate in a particular district. And when that happens, what happens is that you have a situation where the superintendent of police is the CM's man and listens to the CM Akhilesh Yadav, but his boss, the senior superintendent, happens to be Shivpal Yadav's man and listens only to Shivpal Yadav, and his boss, the DIG, happens to be very close to, say, Ram Gopal Yadav and listens only to Ram Gopal Yadav. So if Akhilesh asks for something to be done in a particular district,
Okay.
the SP might want to do it, but his boss will prevent him from doing it, and his boss will prevent the other guy from doing anything either. So governance kind of gets paralyzed
It sounds like
till,
politics.
till you have a consensus between the two uncles and the nephew. So in all this, Akhilesh is coming out as the good guy.
Okay.
Okay. Now Dimple has been interacting with people socially in Lucknow. She's a member of parliament also, right from Kannauj. And she has an extremely pleasing personality. She is an officer's daughter, and her son studies in one of the most prestigious schools in Lucknow, La Martiniere College. So she goes around and comes across as a person who stands for what is right in society.
Okay.
Now, the Samajwadi Party in this election, if Akhilesh Yadav and his wife would campaign jointly, they would have the benefit of projecting Akhilesh Yadav as a family man with the right kind of middle class values, who's trying to do some development work in Uttar Pradesh, a state which is extremely backward today. Industry has been wiped out there. Millions are without jobs. Their population is something close to 20 crore people.
Okay.
and they have something like 13 crore or probably 11 to 12 crore voters only. So you can imagine the size of the state. It's like almost like 5 Punjabs put together.
Okay.
Right? It's
Yeah,
that big.
pretty big, yeah.
Yeah, it's that big. So in this thing, Dimple Yadav can play a key role in the canvassing, a key role in the thing because she comes across as a person with a very clean image
Okay.
and a very polished person. And it's very hard to find today. I mean, unfortunately, it's extremely hard to find people in politics in the state of Uttar Pradesh who can come up with such an image.
Yeah.
The Congress party, on the other hand, has a Priyanka Gandhi.
Right, right.
Right. So Dimple is actually the Priyanka Gandhi of the Samajwadi Party.
Okay.
And since this feud has taken place in the Samajwadi Party, political analysts are now looking at Dimple Yadav as the possible answer to the Samajwadi Party's crisis.
Okay.
Will she take over the avatar of Durga and stand with her husband, in this hour of his crisis, to, slaughter his foes? Now, literally, I'm talking about Hindu mythology.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is what they expect from her now, that she should come forward, stand with her husband on the public podium, and go out to the masses. And between the two of them, husband and wife, there are chances that they will be able to revive the party, and the party may do well in these elections.
Okay.
Is there anything else you'd like to know, Kevin?
No, I think you've explained it very clearly, and for people watching the video, they'll understand the mechanics of this.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's a combination of politics, as usual, disagreement between the members of the political power families, and then, of course, like in the U.S. and equivalent, Michelle Obama's reputation, Laura Bush's reputation, they offset at times the reputations of their husbands because they're not invading countries or fighting wars or whatever, or passing tax cuts. Yeah.
No, in this case, the husband has a good reputation, but he needs a backer.
I understand.
You understand? He needs somebody to complement that good reputation, and this is where Dimple Yadav comes in.
That makes sense. That's quite logical, actually.
Okay, thank you, Gavin.
All right, thank you.